That's the new name?
Yeah, I feel.
Oh, yeah. It's still there?
Yeah, I still feel.
Jeez, 3 days in a row. Hello, Fibs. You want to say hello, Fibs? See Fibs there? Look. Say hello, Fibs. Tell Fibs hello. Lord. Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I'm tired. Mama's tired, right? My little nugget is here. Say morning, Fibs. Yeah, food in your mouth. Mama always catching you when you have food in your mouth. Ah, you have food in your mouth. Okay, eat. Yes, eat. He's eating his toast. You guys, how are y'all doing? Your girl is back on the grind. I am back, and I'm back. You know, I'm going to make up for those lost days that I haven't worked out, but I'm not worried about it. Once I stay consistent, and I was eating kind of sort of right, so I'm not too off of my game. But on that note, make sure you guys are getting your workout in. Make sure you guys stay pumped, stay energized. Do something to distract you from the workout. I was just writing on my Instagram that never try scrolling social media while you work out. Because if you scroll social media when you work out, 1, you'll lose your momentum. 2, you'll get cold in sitting there and scrolling social media. And scrolling one page you'll say that you're gonna just take a few seconds, and you realize that you'll sit here 5 minutes scrolling through social media and don't even realize that you're in the middle of a set, and you don't even realize how much time you wasted just scrolling social media while you are working out. So when I said don't scroll social media, I mean don't sit here scrolling through Instagram, don't sit here scrolling through Facebook. Rather you listen to some music or watch something that will distract you from your workout to keep you going. Unlike me, I'll film a few of the exercises, but I'll just keep the camera rolling and pause to turn it off. But that don't even take me 5 seconds to turn off the camera, so I don't really lose time when I do that. And then I'll upload everything that I do when I finish workout onto my Instagram page. But yeah, enough of my rambling. Make sure you guys have an amazing day, whether you're staying at home, whether you're going to school, whether you're going to work. It doesn't really matter what it is that you're doing today. Stay positive, stay blessed. Let nobody steal your joy. Let nobody stand in your way of reaching greatness. Let nobody tell you that you can't do what you set out to do today. Thank me later. Anyway, you guys, I am going to pack up all these things that I did use to work out this morning and jump in the kitchen, make my green juice, get my day going, have a long day ahead of me with this nugget. Good morning, Fizz.
Morning, Fizz.
How are you guys?
How are you guys?
And I look forward to this the most each morning. His green juice. Look at him. He almost finished. When he finishes his, he's gonna want to go and get mine. So I better go and drink mine real fast. Not that I don't want to share, but jeez. He finishes and then he want to drink mine. Not cool. So good. And again, if you're new to our channel and you're wondering what this mix that we're drinking, it's celery, cucumber, apple and ginger. As simple as it gets, each and every morning. Look, he finished. You finished? He's finished. Oh, more fresh. It is such a rainy day here today. It is so cloudy outside. Let me show you guys what outside is looking like. The sun is trying to peek up right here. Right there, the sun is trying, but it's not happening. It's raining lightly, not hard, but it's raining right now. So it's not looking so good outside at all. It is so dark that we have to have lights on at this time of the day inside because it's really dark. But anyway, you guys, I am going to get some breakfast done this morning. I've decided that I'm not gonna make my breakfast so boring anymore. I decided that I'm gonna start trying some different things for breakfast. I'll probably do some fruits alone, or I'll probably do some oatmeal, or I probably do some cereal, or I now started making spinach and eggs, which I had took a long break from spinach because it used to make me so nauseous, but I mix it with the egg and it tastes really good and I didn't feel any nausea or anything like that. But so I'm going to start buying spinach more often. So I think this morning breakfast is going to be spinach and eggs. You guys, it's time for mini lunch. So I made him sweet potato, fish and green beans. There you go. Eat up, it's lunchtime. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hello. Let's go pee in the toilet.
Mama?
Yes. Wow, you're sweating. You're sweating, Boo Boo. You had a good nap. Look at you here.
Mama?
Yes.
What?
That's your Paw Patrol truck. I didn't even cook much today because I cooked a lot yesterday. So I just made some quinoa to go with some protein that we already have in the fridge. I'm actually all ready and about to head out for work, and I'm just hearing babe coming in the house right there with my little bud boy right there. One what? What do you want?
One mushwa.
Go for it.
Hi guys. The headache man.
That's a new name.
Yeah, I feel.
Oh yeah,
I
it's
feel
still there.
Yeah, I still feel.
Jeez, 3 days in a row and his headache is
I
still
feel
there.
tired. I feel exhausted because my head is hurting. The night was
Terrible.
maybe I fall asleep like 2, almost 3 a.m. and
I didn't know that. I've been sleeping, honey.
yeah, and when you sleep in the course and
I fling my
you're
foot on
pushing me
you.
on the side. But I'm okay. I'm just here home now. Gonna chill for the rest of the day. Gonna take care of this little boy. While
And I'm
he's
heading
at
out.
work. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I mean, good afternoon.
Alright, you guys, I'll catch you guys when I get back. I'll leave you guys with the boys.
Papa,
Oui, Tyler.
ça va? Match rouge.
Oui, tu joues? Tu joues à quoi?
Match un conseil.
Tu montres à papa à quoi tu joues? C'est le garage des voitures? Et c'est quoi? C'est le train?
C'est ça. Papa?
Oui, Tyler.
Papa, celui-là. Papa?
Oui.
Celui-là, c'est Missy. Papa?
Oui. C'est quoi ça?
Ça, c'est toi, papa.
C'est toi qui joues? Oh, tu fais le circuit? Hi guys, yeah, good afternoon everybody. Do you have time to say anything today? I'm not feeling good since a couple of days, but yeah, I used to deal a lot with a headache. Oui, Tyler.
Il joue le camion.
Oui, tu vas jouer dans ta chambre, papa il arrive.
Le camion.
Oui, va jouer dans ta chambre, papa il arrive. Yeah, so I'm home early thinking about Tyler today. Tyler just talk non-stop. Papa and then Papa and oh Lord, he not helping. So it's after 6 now. This is Tyler dinner. It looks yummy. No, this is not carrot. This is sweet potatoes with some green beans and some quinoa. So I am going to feed Tyler now. Gonna chill because I used to chill since an hour, trying to rest.
Hey guys, I've been back home and getting this little one to clean up his room so I can put him to bed. Why are you not packing up? Pack up your stuff. Up, get up, get up. Come on, let's pack up.
This, and find
Yeah, look. Go say night night face.
no, not fast.
See you guys tomorrow.
Look at my no
They can't see you come. Look.
people. The guy. Bye.
Stop! Wait! Stop here! Don't on your mark. Stella! Wait! You're cheating! Stop! Come back here. Here, come here. Put it here. Okay, get your remote. This one. On your mark.
Set, go! Allez, Tyler.